Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I'm gonna do makeup for all you ladies. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my makeup today. But before I jump right into it, if you guys like me and like my videos, can you guys please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and don't forget to put your post notifications on the bell on the which side is that? On the right hand side of the subscribe button. Cause you guys, reason for post notifications is whenever I post a video, you guys will be the first to actually view it, which is a nice thing. So, um, you will see in my description box, you guys. I will be doing like giveaways at each and every month, so you guys should put on your post notifications, you guys, for real, because I'm gonna withdraw a name. When you put your post notification on, like your notification bell, when you click on it and it goes and it says, I'm automatically gonna get like an email or like a notification that you actually subscribed and did put the notification button on, because then you will be actually in the giveaway to win the competition. So I'm not gonna tell you guys what is the giveaway because it's actually a surprise. It's a surprise, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna do a makeup video, you guys, a makeup tutorial video, because there's a lot of girls that actually ask me like to please do a tutorial video. They want to see how I do my makeup. I get on a daily basis compliments for my makeup because not a lot of girls know how to make. So they actually ask me to do a makeup tutorial on YouTube, you guys. So you guys, I'm gonna jump right into it. First of all, ladies, you don't want your hair to come on your face while you do makeup. So first of all, I'm gonna brush my hair, take the hair out of my face. I also use 3 types of foundation. The reason why I use 3 types of foundation is because it works so much better. I love exploring different things, and it has been working for me over 3 years now. To combine 3 types of foundations, it also looks like my natural skin color. It doesn't look too much and overwhelming. If I apply it, you guys will see as well. Yeah, I'm showing you guys the different types of sponges. It's the exact same size sponges. The wet one, the pink one I made wet. The smaller one is not wet because if I use it, if it's dry, and then it looks like fluff on my face. So when the sponge is wet and you squeeze out the water, it just gives it a much more soft and glow look on your face. I also do blend in the foundation into my neck so that I don't look like I have a mask on, and I also don't put the foundation on my eyelids because it will look muddy then. I'm also going to show you guys now how my eyebrow palette look. As you guys can see, my face is actually glowing. It doesn't look matte at the moment, but once I'm done with the tutorial, you guys will see I have a matte look. And yes, you guys, here is my eyebrow powder palette. So yeah. So yeah, let me just start off by doing it so I can show you guys. So as you guys can see, my eyebrows is already shaped like that. So okay, you guys, I'm gonna try and look into the mirror and into the phone because I can see much more better in the mirror. So you guys, as you guys can see, I actually just do this. I just do the outlining first. I'm gonna show you guys now which brush I actually use. I actually use the eyebrow brush. I also use the powder because I feel it's much better and it lasts so much longer than the gel. So I'm just busy with the outline, and then I'll fade it in just now. Okay, so I'm fading it in now.
The water's always high. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody.
I don't know what dramatic kind of a look I should do. I was thinking of making purple and silver or purple and gold. What do you guys think? Should I go natural or should I go a bit dramatic? You guys can see how I look in dramatic colors, because in my previous video I actually do have one of a natural kind of a look. So I think I must go dramatic this one. So guys, I'm gonna make a dramatic look now. I was thinking let's take this purple. I also use this one a lot, as you guys can see some of it actually came out. This is True Naked Classic. So let's I'm first gonna use this color. Like, I don't know if you can see it. This color, it's like a brown color, just for the outline. So I just go like ovals, like half, how can I say, like a half cut type of a thing, and then I move up slightly. You know, can you see what I did? Like I go like this the whole time. Then I also use this brush.
Swear that I'm fading, I think I'm losing my sight. I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Swear that I'm fainting, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could. Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Now that I'm done showing you guys how it actually looks and everything, um thank you so much for watching, you guys. It was nice, or should I say it was lovely to actually have this journey with you guys to show you how I do my makeup, and this is how my hair looks at the end result. Now you have your look, and now you can go out and go do shopping or enjoy your day and everything, you guys. This is on a daily basis look. You can also use it if you go out in the evening. You can use it any ways you want to. So you guys, this is how it looks. I love the look. If you guys like it, please subscribe and like down below, and don't forget to put on your post notifications for giveaways, and also comment. Tell me what you guys think about it. If you guys want me to do more videos with prank or challenges, go to my other channel and subscribe and like and comment and share, and just as you want to. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you guys. You can also go on my Instagram and go follow me if you want to see more of my pictures. I love you guys. Bye. Peace.